Hello, Miss and my friend. I want to read the title of the text. Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here today. I'm cooking my favorite dish. It's easy, super tasty, and fun to make. I won't tell you what it just yet, but you'll see very soon. While we cook, it's also teach you some useful English word and phrase. So this isn't just food for your stomach. It isn't food for your brain. To your heart, real conversation, learn vocabulary, and maybe even get hungry. You can listen, repeat, and practice along with me. It's perfect for beginner and intermediate learners ready to cook with me and practice English. Let's get started. Jake, Jake, are you ready to help me? Cook, I'm ready. What are we making today? It's surprise, but it's my favorite dish. We'll find and we go first. We need to prepare the ingredients. Oh, mystery. Okay, what do we need? We need chicken, garlic, onions, tomato, rice, and so spicy. Oh, and the forgot. Oh, and then forget the oil and salt. Order right, chicken check, garlic, onion, got it. What shall I do first? Can you scoop the onion and garlic? Sure, but I make cry a little. Everyone, that is part of the cooking experience. That onions are strong. My eyes are already tearing up. Don't rub your eyes, just blink a lot and keep cooking. I'll wash the chicken and cut it into small pieces. Okay, onions and garlic are done. What next? Let's heat a little oil in the pan. We'll saute the garlic and onions first. The mince cook the garlic and onions first. So the mince cook in oil, right? Yes, exactly. Just stir them in the hot oil until they soft and golden brown. I can do that. Smell go already? No, I ending the chicken. We need to cook it until and brown starting so it doesn't stick the pan. This is starting to look like real cooking because it is. Okay, now we add covered tomatoes. Can you slice them for me? How many? Let's do 3 medium ones. Just slice that small. I'll add. Alright. Slice, slice, slice. Done. Perfect. Let's add the in and give a good mix. I like how add them and give it good mix. I like how colorful it looks now. Cooking is like art forward, so now we add the spices. Yes, a bit of salt, pepper, and my special spice mix. It has paprika, cumin, and little chili powder. Sounds spicy, just a little. It's give again. Please do not will it simmer for 15 minutes. Simmer the we want cook it slowly, right? Yes. Okay. No, for the rice. Yes, 2 cups of rice. 4 cups of water. Bring it to boil. Then cover is lower the heat. Boiling the simmer gochujang cooking is all about timing. Exactly. Let's clean up little while we wait. Good idea. The kitchen is getting messy. Cooking is fun, but cleaning is part of the deal. True. Okay. The rice look fluffy. What with chicken? Look perfect. Let me test it. Soft and sticky. That's what we meant. And the chicken also ready. It smells delicious and shows how the chicken nicely. My stomach is crawling. Time to serve. Can you grab the plates? Go take home much rice. One big spoon for each of us. Then we pour the chicken and sauce on top. This looks like something for yes. 1, 2, 3. Wow, right. The sauce is best part. It's spicy but not too much. So tasty and we made it together. I feel like chef, no. Well, maybe as assistant chef. Hey, I covered the onions. That's true. You were brave. So what's the name of this? Is my favorite scene of chicken stew. Easy, spicy, and super delicious. I saving the ribs. Can And we cook it again next week, of course. But next time you're cooking out the onions, deal, gets cold and test this. Oh, this is ready, and our stomach are full, and we learn some tasty English along the way. Now let's take a minute to review so of the word we use really cooking. The word a lot of cooking word is the conversation, right? Don't worry, it's explain them for you know and by one. Finish. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.